Welcome to Countryside Dumpster Rental LLC, your premier choice for dumpster rental in Northfield, Minnesota. Whether you're a homeowner, contractor, or business owner, we are committed to providing you with top-notch service and reliable dumpster solutions. At Countryside Dumpster Rental LLC, we understand the importance of efficient waste management, especially in rural areas like Northfield, Minnesota. With a wide range of dumpster sizes available, we cater to all your waste disposal needs, whether you're tackling a home renovation project or a large-scale construction endeavor. At Countryside Dumpster Rental LLC, we take pride in serving the Northfield community and surrounding areas. With our commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction, you can trust us to handle all your waste management needs with care and professionalism. Choose Countryside Dumpster Rental LLC for all your waste management needs in Northfield, Minnesota. To book your dumpster rental in Northfield, Minnesota, call us today at 781-593-5308. You can also visit our website at www.countrysidedumpsterrental.com Dumpster Rental Northfield MN to learn more about our services and request a quote online. Don't let waste pile up on your property. Contact Countryside Dumpster Rental LLC today and take the first step towards a cleaner, more sustainable environment.